If you liked the video, please tell us by clicking the like button to encourage us to upload more similar clips.
So, my friend, what are you gonna do today?
Just get a mid skin and then just scissor trim on top.
Too easy. Let's do it. So, my friends, I will show you today how you do the mid skin fade in very easiest way. Let's watch me. We will set the zero guideline here. We will drop it. We'll set it midway. We'll drop it a little bit at the back, and after that, we're gonna shave the hair centimeter by 1 centimeter. We open the up with number half, 1.5, 2. And after that, we remove the guideline in between. Now we will jump to the next step. We'll shave everything below the guideline here by using the zero guard. Now we will jump to the next step. We will shave halfway by the shaver. Next step, we'll use the trimmer. We'll shave the guideline between the zero, super zero, and the zero, normal zero, using the trimmer. Half. Level open on the clipper and just 1 centimeter, and we jump 1 centimeter. Now there's a small guideline between the zero and the half. We will cross the clipper halfway and we hit only this line. Now next step, we'll jump to number 1.5, level open, and 1 inch, we're up 1 inch. Now we'll jump to the next step, number 1, level open, and we put it on the middle, we just like flick it on the middle. Don't touch don't touch this guideline. See this number 2, don't touch it. Try to just flick the clipper like that way. Now we're going to go to the last step with the fade. Do you see this guideline here? That's what we're trying to remove. We're going to use number 0.5, level open, and you hit just only in the middle. Now just to match between the fade and the top, we're going to do number 2.5, which is 2 level open, and we flick the clipper that way. Now we get the scissors job. Always before you cut the top, ask your client or your friend, and so ask him for how much he wants to cut from the top before you do anything. So my friend, how short from top?
I think a little bit shorter than that.
A little shorter? Good.
I don't know.
Let's put some chicken salt.
Extra tasty.
Yummy, yummy. Let me show you the back first. What's the final?
Very good.
Very good. What's my a new haircut for the Valentine's Day. Happy?
Very happy.
Where's your thumbs up?
Huh?
Where's your thumbs up?
Thumbs in.
Where? I can't see them.
Can I have a hat? Beautiful.
First choice barber.